Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can create a t-shirt order form in Google Forms. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to docs.google.com and log in to your Google account. Once logged in, you can see the different templates given by Google Forms or some recent forms that you've already made. But we will start a new one. So we're supposed to be clicking right here. Now, a t-shirt form includes many things, like the t-shirt type, the size, the colors. So, for this video, I prepared a template for you to use to make it much more easier. So, on another tab, simply go to formwiz.com/templates/t-shirt-order-form. This is a template ready for you to use for a t-shirt order in Google Forms. So, simply click on Use this template and then click on Make a Copy. After clicking here, you will be redirected back to Google Forms where all the elements needed for a t-shirt order type of form is already placed, including your favorite color, name, phone, email, the size and the color of the shirt that you want to order, the quantity, the shipping address, and other credentials needed for you. So, once you finish this, simply type publish and then add the responders you want. So you can either share this link, and once you're done, click on publish. Simple as that. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!